In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make Brazilian-style hot dogs, loaded with garnishes that might sound unusual, but they are delicious. Delicious! I am Paula Romero and I want to share with you simple ways to cook good food. If Brazil is on your list for a place to visit, you must try cachorro quente, which is Portuguese for hot dog. Why? Because it's one of the most popular street foods in Brazil. And it has nothing to do with American hot dog, okay? Nothing. Nothing. I'll share with you later my first experience with an American hot dog. The one I'm showing you today is the least dramatic in terms of toppings because we can go crazy on the toppings, alright? First difference, we don't grill the hot dog links. We cook them in a tomato sauce. And that's what we're going to start with. And we use lots of onions. The sauce recipe is very simple. Olive oil, onions, garlic, salt and pepper. Garlic paste. A good amount of salt, black pepper, we're gonna let the onions saute for a few minutes, and then we add crushed tomatoes. Now we add the tomato sauce. We're gonna let this cook for 5 minutes and then we're gonna add the hot dog links. For the hot dog links, before we put it in the sauce, we just run the knife through it because once it's cooked, it's gonna open up like this. It's gonna be nice, and it gets away, open up a way for the sauce to get into the links. Next, we add the hot dog links to the sauce. This process actually is very quick. The links are cooked, but I want them to cook a little bit more in the tomato sauce. By the way, my first experience with an American hot dog, it was very disappointing. I came here as a tourist and I was dying to have a hot dog, and then the guy gave it to me and I saw just the hot dog link and the bun. I said, well, think about how about the toppings? He said, oh, you can have mustard and ketchup. I said, yeah, but what about the rest of the toppings? He looked at me and said, I don't know what you're talking about. I said, the toppings, where are they? the mashed potatoes, the corn, the peas, the bacon, this. Man, we don't have any of this here. This is our hot dog, okay? I said, all right.
What?
So I ate it. It was good though. I had never tried a grilled hot dog before. So it was disappointing, but it was very nice at the end. I had a good experience and I learned something new. At the end of the video, you will understand why I was asking for the toppings. Our hot dog links are done. Take a look at it. I want to show you. The sauce has thickened. The links are cooked. And they open up, just like I told you with that cut that we did before. So the sauce could just get inside. This is gonna be so good! Next, we're gonna move to the most challenging part, the assembling. Brazilian hot dogs, you can use the regular hot dog buns or you can use French rolls. They are excellent for a game day other than pizza. They're very nice for kids' birthday parties. You can make those, tiny. Did you turn it? Again. You can make small little ones for kids' birthday parties. Everybody can make their own. It's perfect. Kids love that. There are no rules for toppings. Literally is whatever you want. The region I am from, in Brazil, these are the most popular ones. Mashed potatoes, corn, peas, ketchup, mustard, mayo, shoestring potatoes. I know, right? And obviously, this nice tomato sauce with lots of onions. Sounds crazy? It is actually delicious. 2 important tips. Number 1, assemble your hot dogs just right before you serve it, because the sauce is gonna get absorbed by the bread and it's gonna get too soggy. And the most important tip, do not serve it without a plate under it, because it gets messy and the napkin will not do the job. So let's see how it's gonna come up. We're gonna start with some mayo. Spread it over the bread. Come with the link and some sauce. And then some peas, some corn, a little bit more, and then mashed potatoes. I know. Bear with me because it's worth it. This is very, very important, the mashed potatoes. The mission of the mashed potatoes in the hot dog is to keep all those guys in there all together in the bun. And then we come with some ketchup and mustard. Oops. And last but not least, the potato, the shoestring potato. So we got some crunchiness from this. Does that sound crazy or what? I'm telling you, it's delicious. I told you that a napkin wouldn't do the job. Now, let's give it a try. There's a technique to eat cachorro quente, okay? You gotta make it fit in your mouth. Sorry, I said it was gonna get messy. It's so good. So good. It's okay. It's messy. I am sure that you're gonna like this. You see why I get, kind of disappointed when I saw that my first hot dog, American hot dog, because I was looking for all these toppings. But just like I said, I like both anyways. Now, before you get your hands messy, just like mine, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button so you know when we post something new. This recipe, you must give this a try. I know all the topping sounds crazy, but the acidity of the tomato sauce, with the sweetness of the corn and the peas, the crunchiness of the shoestring potatoes, the chewy bread that goes all along with this is a perfect treat. You're gonna like it. Let me know when you make it. I would love to hear from you to see how your cachorro quente turned out. Maybe you will discover your new favorite one. So I'll see you next time. Bye!